so close. Waking up to ash and dust, ashes on the ground. I still hear the song.
Life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes, so that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over, and I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost.
And we'll never be wrong. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age. Let me be your ruler. Guess I should start a war. You think I'm crazy, yeah, you think I'm crazy. Let me live that fantasy.
Lately, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be.
They tell me I'm too young to understand.
Too young, too dumb to realize. Round and around and around we go. It's a revolution, I suppose. Tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. And we'll never be royal. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age. Let me be your ruler. Guess I should start a war. You think I'm crazy, yeah, you think I'm crazy. Let me live that fantasy. Maybe you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cry. Your friends and I, we've cracked the code. Just let me know. In a torn up town, we're fine with this. I figured it out.
They watching us,
You were right.
No more pretending.
all eyes on us.
We don't mind all the watching.
It's our Friday, we can do what we want to. It's our song,
Sing a song and it goes like.
and we can't stop. Trouble.
This is my kingdom. This is my kingdom.